How does passive solar design distribute heat in a home? Imagine a home that uses the sun's natural energy to stay warm during winter and stay cool in summer. That's what passive solar design aims to do. It's a smart way to make homes more energy efficient without relying on machines. When you understand how heat moves inside a house, you can see how passive solar design works so well. The process starts with capturing sunlight through windows that face the sun, usually south-facing windows. These windows are carefully placed within 30 degrees of true south to catch the most sunlight during winter when the sun is lower in the sky. The sunlight enters as short-wave solar radiation and warms the interior surfaces. The key is to use materials inside the house that have high thermal mass, like concrete, brick, stone, or tile. These materials soak up the heat from the sunlight and store it. Once the heat is stored, it doesn't stay put. It slowly releases into the living space, even when the sun isn't shining. This process is called thermal lag. It helps keep the house warm during cold nights or cloudy days. The heat moves around the house in three main ways. First is conduction, which is heat transfer through solid materials like floors and walls. When the sun warms the floor, heat moves through the material and warms the air nearby. Next is convection, which involves warm air rising and circulating naturally through the house. Warm air from the heated surfaces rises and moves into different rooms, helping distribute the heat evenly. Sometimes, passive air channels or vents are used to guide this airflow without needing fans or other mechanical parts. The third way is radiation, where warm surfaces emit heat to cooler areas. This helps spread warmth across the space and makes the home feel cozy. Design elements like overhangs or shading devices are also important. They block high summer sun to prevent overheating but let the low winter sun enter freely. Some homes include adjustable vents or dampers that can control airflow and heat movement as needed. While passive solar design mainly relies on natural heat flow, some homes add simple fans or ducts to improve heat distribution in larger or more complex buildings. All these parts work together to reduce the need for active heating systems, saving energy and lowering bills. The right balance of solar exposure, thermal mass, insulation, and ventilation depends on the local climate. When done properly, passive solar design creates a home that stays comfortable all year long, using the sun's energy in a smart, natural way.